going on, everybody? It's your boy Big Viz King, back with another episode, another update of the 100K account challenge. Today is day 10, and we are 1/10 of the way through the challenge so far. As you can see, this is not one of the typical videos that I normally make. It's because I didn't have a lot of time to make a video in my normal format, because I had to pick up my truck from the shop. My truck's been in the shop for the past 7 days. We're gonna make this video real quick. Today we started the account off with $508, and we ended up losing a total of $479 today after our options fees and whatever. So we are down to $29. We took a $479 loss, more than twice the size of the loss that we took yesterday. So we originally started the challenge with an 8-day win streak, and over the period of the last 2 days we actually lost 96% of the account balance. So with that being said, starting from $29, well, not starting from $29, but trying to rebuild from $29 where we are now is gonna actually be a very, very, very tough challenge. I only entered in one trade today. I'll talk about that briefly. I ended up buying 3 contracts at 90 cents a piece of a SPY 592 call, and it quickly turned on me. Here's a chart. We bought in like at 11:29. This is our first 5-minute candle after we bought in right here, and I actually averaged down a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times over the next 30 minutes. So from 11:31 to 11:58 market time, I averaged down 5 times to bring my total number of contracts down to 8 contracts. I should have just cut my losses as soon as I seen this red candle starting to form, but I thought the play was going to rebound. I pretty much made the exact same mistake as I did yesterday, but a whole lot worse. I tried to hold up until about 1 hour before market time. I ended up selling at 3:08 market time, so about 52 minutes before the market closed, somewhere around right here. We ended up only being able to sell the contracts for 4 cents per contract. Here I sold 4 here, and then another 4 right here, back to back, both at 3:08 market time. I don't remember my average cost. I think my average cost was around 62.5 cents per contract, and we ended up selling them for only 4 cents. I ended up risking, I think I risked like 99.5% of the account today, which is an absolute idiotic thing to do. My original position was only around $270, and then I just kept averaging down, thinking that our play was going to turn around for us. Now I will say this: yesterday's loss and today's loss were very, very extremely similar, due to the fact that they were both 0 DTE options contracts. Now, what a 0 DTE option contract is basically 0 days to expiration. That means the contract expires today, on the day you made the trade. So these trades are extremely risky because they hold great potential to decay. So what decay means is the closer and closer and closer you get to the expiration, the less valuable they will become, even if the stock that you are trading, which today I was trading the ETF, the SPY ETF, which tracks the S&P 500. Even if the the stock that you're trading even starts to climb, you're fighting against that decay for the rest of the day, because right here at 4 p.m. market time, they're going to expire worthless if you don't sell. That's why the contracts went all the way down to as low as 4 cents per contract, and that's how. And then my biggest mistake was risking pretty much my entire account. Now yesterday I didn't take as big of a loss because I'd only risked like 60% of the account, but anybody would tell you risking 99.9% of your account balance is an absolute idiotic thing to do. So with that being said, from here going forward, we're actually going to have to switch to a different strategies to try to build this $29 back up. We may even have to swing trade some lower cost stocks, like some penny stocks, you know, $5 or under, or get into some stocks that are $10 and under. We probably won't even be able to day trade any options contracts for quite some time. I might just want to stay away from that until I get back up to at least $200. But like I said, this video is going to be pretty short. It actually took me more time to set up my desk and my computer than it took me to create this video. Like I said, we're recap again today. We started with 508 and we ended with $29. So we lost $479 today, $233 yesterday. 96% of our account was lost in only 2 days after being on an 8-day win streak. So probably not going to make a full-length video, you know, a full version. We'll just stick with this format. I really don't have a lot of time, as you can see how late it is. I think it's local time 11:37. I'm actually in Utah right now at a truck stop. So today is my first day back in the truck since day 3 of the challenge. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, day 11, with another update. Like I said, we might get into some swing trades, or I might get lucky on a couple of, you know, some low price stocks tomorrow, and I'll give you another guys update. I'll give you guys an update of how it goes tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, and see you guys tomorrow for the day 11 update. Peace.